Yo, what's up everyone? It's Juzo96 and today we're checking out one of the hottest features on cross prediction. So the FIFA World Cup football markets. So the World Cup is where the biggest football nations battle for glory, and now every match becomes even more exciting because you can predict the outcome before kick-off. So today I'll show you how I make my prediction using an upcoming FIFA World Cup match as an example and explain how you can participate too. So let's jump in mga brokies. So the first step is selecting a match that's available in the football markets. So for example, imagine today's feature match is Argentina versus Cape Verde. And before making a prediction, I don't just pick my favorite team. I take a closer look at the matchups. So I usually check recent team form, star player availability, previous match performances, offensive and defensive strength, home or neutral venue conditions. So doing a little research can help you make a smarter prediction instead of simply guessing. So dito mga tol, for example, may match uli ngayon. So ito guys, ongoing. Switzerland, no? Switzerland versus Algeria, ongoing na siya. So di na tayo pwedeng makapag-predict dyan mga brokies. And then, meron ditong upcoming mga tol. Ay, hindi. Waiting for resolution na to mga tol. Itong Belgium versus Egypt. So, upcoming match for today mga tol. So sa ngayon guys, wala pa. Pero, yung match kahapon na Portugal versus Croatia is makukuha na natin mga tol. Gawa ng nanalo sila guys, yung Portugal. Cristiano Ronaldo number 1, no? So nanalo yung Portugal sa Croatia mga brokies. So pupuntahan natin yon mga brokies dito sa portfolio natin, no? Yan. So kung makikita nyo mga brokies, paldo si Juzo mga tol, no? So yung Portugal versus Croatia natin dito. So nanalo tayo dito guys. Nagkaroon tayo ng dagdag na PNL plus 3,882 na bill token to mga tol. Redeem natin mga brokies. Alright, so redeeming na tayo mga tol. And then yun, redeem. So pumasok na siya sa ating wallet. And then syempre guys, meron din tayong taya doon sa cross, 'di ba? Yan, tumaya din tayo sa cross. So ito mga brokies, dito yung medyo paldo tayo guys. So plus 10 cross tayo dito mga tol, no? Gawa ng tumaya tayo kay Cristiano Ronaldo mga tol kahapon. So, 14 cross yon dito. Ay, rather kay sa Portugal, mga tol. And star player nila si Cristiano Ronaldo, mga brokies. So, C7, mga tol, no? So, redeem natin to mga tol. Para plus 10 cross tayo, mga brokies. So, dito mga brokies, Switzerland 2. Live na to, hindi natin pwede matumaya. So, feeling ko dito tayo, guys, World Cup winner, mga brokies. Meron ako ditong binay last time. So, ang binay ko dito is ito, France. Yan. France yung akin. And subukan din natin guys let's say Argentina, no? Maglagay din tayo ng Argentina. Feeling ko maganda maglagay ng Argentina mga. Hindi na ako pwedeng magdagdag, no? So, ang aking naboto kasi dito mga tol is France, mga brokies. So, as the FIFA World Cup match begins, the excitement really kicks in. So imagine your predicted team scores an early goal. So you're celebrating every successful attack while hoping they maintain their lead. But football is unpredictable mga tol. One penalty, one red card, one incredible goal, everything can change in just a few seconds. So that's what makes football market so entertaining. You stay engaged from the first whistle until full time mga tol. So once the referee blows the final whistle, cross prediction automatically settles the market using the official match result. So if your prediction is correct, you'll receive your rewards according to the market rules. So if it does go your way, don't worry. Every match is a chance to learn more about football, improve your analysis, and come back stronger for the next prediction. Consistency and smart decision making are always better than relying on luck alone. So, ang tip ko mga brokies, hanapin nyo guys, if ever na may match yung Portugal, yung Argentina, yung France, dun kayo tumaya mga tol. Mataas yung chance rate na doon talaga yung, alam niyo yung odds, mataas talaga yung odds doon. Gawa nandun yung mga star player natin. So, yan. So, disclaimer na lang din mga brokies, this is not a financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. always do your own research, invest what you can afford to lose, mga brokies. So yan. And yun, hopefully mga tol, you enjoy this guide. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because I'll covering more FIFA World Cup predictions cross campaign. So winning strategies in the future videos. So thanks for watching. Good luck with your prediction and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out mga tol. Let's go!